Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Creations. Today I want to share something a little different, my personal story about crocheting every single day. It started as a hobby, something I picked out of curiosity. Maybe boredom, one hook, one yarn, one stitches at a time. It felt peaceful, like I was weaving calm into my day. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and before I knew it, I was crocheting every day. No breaks, no pauses, just me, my hook, and my yarn. But here it's where I want to be honest. Is crocheting every day harmful? Let's talk about it. First, physically, my hands started to feel sore. My wrist will ache. Sometimes I just ignore it, thinking I just needed to be finished one more row. But over time, I learned rest is a part of process. Taking breaks, doing stretches, and using ergonomic hooks helped me a lot. Don't wait for pain to remind you to pause. And mentally, crocheting every day become a routine or source of comfort. But when I start feeling pressure to be productive all the time, I had to remind myself it's okay to just create for joy, not always for output. So is crocheting every day harmful? It can be if you forget to care for yourself, but with balance, it is beautiful, healing, creative journey. If you are a daily crocheter like me, remember listen to your body, protect your joy, and crochet with love. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. So see you in next video. Happy crocheting!